on 8 November. It's my father's birthday. So, and as he loves paan, so I'm making a paan cake from him. And let's start our video. So now let's make the tin. Prepare the tin. So now I got some butter over here. And you can see I put a butter paper. And guys, this is what I've noticed. I make so many cakes. In some I put butter paper and some I not. And whenever I not put butter paper, the cake starts breaking. So I would recommend you to put a butter paper. So now let's see. We're gonna do some. Just overlay it with butter right now. Wait a second. So now I've got this over here, like the mixing bowl, and now we need this butter. And now we're gonna sift 1 1/4 cup Maida or all-purpose flour. So there you go. And with this, I'm gonna add mixture of baking soda and baking powder. I took half teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon baking powder. And now I'm also gonna take 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now it is important it's powder. Yeah. So I put it in here. And now I'm gonna sift it. Now you can put any ingredient in any order. I just like doing all the dry ingredients first. To get these crumbs, you just smash it up with your finger. And that's why I say to sift powdered sugar, because then there are crumbs left. And now if you don't get powdered sugar outside, you can just take regular sugar and then grind it in your grinder. You see, now I've done it. Let's add condensed milk. Before paan, I'm gonna add some butter. This is 100 grams of butter. You see? Now let's add Meetha Paan. This is Meetha Paan. And this is 4 Meetha Paan, which has been crushed, as you can see. So now I'm just gonna add this whole thing. Now let's start mixing it. Don't add the vanilla essence and the white vinegar now. Once it starts mixing. You actually don't need this. Just gonna, you can do it with a beater or with that. And there's one more tool, which is just this. It's just not like electrical. You have to do it with hand. So the button is on. I'll beat it at 1 and then I'll start going faster. So now I'm also gonna add water. But in the water, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. And this is in the water. You see, that's 2 teaspoons. Remember, this is teaspoon, not tablespoons. You see, now I put the vinegar. Now I'm gonna add vanilla essence, which is only 1 tablespoon. You see? Now, just gently I'm gonna mix them. Then I'm gonna put the whole thing in the water. And yeah. So now just keep on mixing it. You see now it's so smooth like beating. So now every once in a while I will stop and I'll check the consistency. Let me just get it. I got a spoon. Like it's falling in one shot, but still things left here. So I'm just gonna beat it for 1 more minute, not much, just 1 more minute. And on 5. It's about the right. Let's just check it again. You see now it's dropping in 1 shot. I'll show you once more. You see, and that means our batter is ready. Okay. So now this is ready. Captain! So now we're gonna grab this spatula and then, so now I've transferred it. Press the button. I'm just gonna shake it because that's quicker. I'm doing this to remove the air bubbles. So now let's put it in the oven. It's pretty hot. So there you go. It goes! So I'm not just gonna see if it's baked completely or not. So I'm gonna put a toothpick and I'm gonna go till the end. So you can see. So guys, now my cake is ready. So I'll tell you how to open it. So now I have a knife. I'm gonna take it at the very side. And I'm just gonna go like this. Now I'm gonna place it like this and see how it came out. So I'm just gonna remove the butter paper. Thanks guys for watching this video. And please like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.